Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to contact AliExpress Customer Service. Open AliExpress application on your device and then at the bottom go to Account section, and here you should find Help Center icon that looks like this with headphones icon. Here you can see popular solutions, also frequently asked questions, and you can use online service as well. This is chat. So here write your question, send it, and wait for the response. So that's how you can contact AliExpress Customer Service. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.